Hello dear students, today we are studying how to find a LCM by prime factorization method. So we learn how to find a HCF by prime factorization method, isn't it? So here also we are using the same method. Okay, on the last step only we have some differences. To find out the HCF and LCM, we have to do the prime factorization. Understand? Prime factorization method. Okay, so this method we are following until the last step. Okay, and the last step only we have some small variations. Okay, then we can find out the LCM and HCF there. Okay, so that how can we find it? Okay, so just take the number for example. Example take we need to find out the LCM of, okay, so three numbers I am writing. Example 12, 15 and 24. Okay, so I'm going to find out the LCM of these three numbers. Okay, what is the LCM of 12, 15 and 24? So as in the usual steps, what we have to do, we have to do the prime factorization for each number, isn't it? So for the 12, how can we do 12? It's a simple number, isn't it? 12 is an even number, so start with the 2. We can get a 2, 6, then again 2, we'll get a 3 here, isn't it? So we got a prime number, so we can stop here. Okay, so 12 we got again 15. 15 we can write this way. How can we? 15 is what? It's an odd number, so we have to check with the next prime number, that is 3. You can see that 1 plus 5 is 6, isn't it? So 6 is the multiple of 3, so we can do the factorization here with the 15, isn't it? 3 we can do. So 3 we are writing here. So what is next step? You can see how many 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. We got a prime number, isn't it? So we can have to stop in this stage, isn't it? So we got a 5 here, it's a prime number, so again we don't need to do anything. Okay, so take the next number, it is 24. Okay, for 24 prime factorization, it is an even number, so we can start with the 2. You can see, you know that 12 times of 2 is what? 24, or 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, isn't it? So 12 you get, and next you can see it's again even number, 2 you have to write here. Okay, so how many times of 2 is 12? 6 2s are 12. Again 6 we got, is an even number, again we can do with the 2. 3 2s are what? 6, isn't it? So we got a prime number here, so we have to stop there. Okay, now we can write 12 is equal to, 12 was what? 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3, isn't it? 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so 15 we can write it as 3 into 5, and 24 we can write as 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Okay, it's correct. So what we have to do? We have to find out the LCM, isn't it? So there in the case of HCF we made a pairs, isn't it, to find out the HCF. Here we have to do it. It's very simple. Okay, we can see that what are the numbers here. What are the numbers in this all three, 12 and 15 and 24? You can see that 2 is here, isn't it? 2 is there, isn't it? Okay, 3 is here, isn't it? And 5. So 2 3 5, this number is only here, isn't it? 2 is there, 3 is there, and 1 5 is there. There is no other number, isn't it? 2 is there, 3 is there, 5 is there, isn't it? Okay, so 2 3 and 5 is there. Okay, here you can see that 2 is here in this 12 and 24, isn't it? 2 is 2 times 2, isn't it? In 12 2 times 2 is there, and in the case of 24 3 times 2 is there, and 3 is here in the all this one, that is 12 1 3 is there, 15 1 3 is there, 24 also 1 3 is there, isn't it? In the case of 5, only in 15 5 is there, isn't it? Only in 15 5 is there. Okay, so what we have to do to find out the LCM? Okay, I told you we have only 3 numbers, 2 3 and 5 is there. It is repeating there, that is okay, but there is no other number except 2 3 and 5. Okay, so to find out the LCM, we have to first take 2 3 5 is there, we have to take a 2, isn't it? In which step 2 is repeating most, or in which one 2 is more? You can see that in 12 case 2 2s are there, but in the case of 24 how many 2s are there? 3 2s are there, isn't it? 3 twos. So that one you have to take. Okay. So in which one the number is repeating most time, that one you have to take. Okay. So what you will get a 2 is 3 times, that one you have to write. Okay. So leave about this 2 times 2. You don't need to take that one. Okay. So in which step 2 is repeating most time, that number you have to take. Okay. So 2 you took, isn't it? Now which is the next number? 3, isn't it? 3 you can see that here one time repeating, here also one time repeating, here also one time only. So you have to write only 1 3. If it was repeating 2 times anywhere, you have to take that 2 times. Which one? More repetition. That step, that one you have to take. Okay. So here 3 is common for all this 12, 15 and 24, but it is only 1 time. So that you have to take only 1 3. Okay. So I took 3 also. Okay. Now you can see that 5 is there only in one case, but that 5 you have to take. We have to take all the numbers here. It is repeating only 1 time, that's why we are taking only 1 5. Understand? So we have to take that 5 too. Okay. So understand? Here 2 only repeating most time, that is which step? It is on 24, most time 2 is repeating. That one I took here, and I am leaving these 2 twos. Understand? I'm not taking. And the 3 I can see that in all these numbers 3 is repeating, but it is only 1 time, but that's why I took only 1 3. Okay. Understand? And here also 5 is here, that is also repeating only 1 time, that is only on 15 2. Understand? That 5 I took. So now we have to do what? The multiplication. Okay. That is the next step that we know. So 2 twos are what? 4. 4 twos are 8. 8 threes are what? 24. Now 24 into 5. 24 into 5 you can do like this way, 24 into 5. Okay. You can see that 5 fours are 20. Then carry over 2. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 2 is what? 120. So this is our answer. Okay. So this is the LCM. Got it? So I will give one more example, then you will understand more. So this is the thing. Okay, what I said, you have to follow and you will get the LCM of this number. So this is the LCM, least common multiple of this 12, 15 and 24 is what? 120. Okay. So that is the first question. So I am explaining one more one. Okay. Again taking numbers LCM of 20, okay, 75 and 125. Okay, taking these numbers. Okay, 20, 75 and 125. I just took some numbers randomly. Okay, so we can check, can we get a LCM? Okay. So LCM of 20, 75 and 125, I'm going to find it. Okay. So starting with the 20, first we need to do the prime factorization. I'm doing a little fast. Okay. 22, then what will get it? 10 here, then 2, then 5 we will get it here, then it's finished, isn't it? 2 5 7 20. So over, because we got a prime number. So take the 75. 75 what will get a, we can do with a 5, 7 plus 5 is 12, isn't it? This is an odd number, we cannot take it 2, so next number is what? 3. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 is a multiple of 3, so we can take a 3. 2 3s are 6, carry over 1, then we'll get a 5, isn't it? 25. 25 we can see that 25 it's not in 2s or 3s, so we have to take a 5. 5 5s are 25. Okay, so we got to 75. Now we have to take a 125. Okay, 125 we can take a 2, we cannot take a then 3, 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 1 8, we cannot take it, so we have to take a 5. Next 5 is 5, isn't it? So 2 5s are 10, carry over to 25, so you will get a 25. 25 you will get. Okay, then again what are 5. Okay, 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5 is 125. So that's all. Okay, so now next step is what? We have to write it. 20 is equal to what? 20 is equal to 2 into 5, then 75 is equal to 3 into 5 into 5. The next one 125 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5, isn't it? So we got the numbers as a factors, isn't it? So what is the next step to find out the LCM? Okay, LCM we have to find out by the repeating which number most time. Okay, so you can see that here numbers are 2 is there. Okay, then 3 is there again, and 1 5, isn't it? 5 is also there. So 2 3 5 is there, as like in the previous question. Okay, so 2 3 and 5. So we have to take first 2. 2 is on here only, isn't it? 2 is on 2 times. That's only 2. So we have to write that 2. Okay, 2 into 2. Okay, in that place only we can see 2, that is also repeating 2 times, so that I wrote a 2 into 2. Okay, so next one we can see that next number is 3. 3 is only here, it is also one time repeating, that one we have to write. Okay, 1 3 is there means you must write it. Okay, and next one it is 5. 5 you can see that in 3 places. 1 here, 2 5s, here 3 5s. Indeed, 3 5s are here. 125, 3 5s are there. But in the case of 75, only 2 5s. But in the case of 20, only 1 5. So which one we have to take? Which one? This one, or this one? Yes, of course, this one we have to take. Okay, we have to write it as 5 into 5 into 5. It's a big calculation. Okay, so you can multiply if you are mentally multiplying, maybe make mistakes, so you can multiply as usual ways. Okay, so we got it this way. So what I wrote is 2 is repeating here 2 times, then 3 only 1 time, and 5 is most repeating on this side, so I write 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, so what is next one? It is we have to multiply these numbers. 2 into 2 is what? 4. 4 into 3 is 4 3s are 12. Then 12 into 5. 12 into 5 is what? Actually 60. So if you don't know, you can you can multiply this way. 12 into 50, isn't it? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 into 5, 5 2s are 10, isn't it? 5 plus 1 is 60. You will get it. So 5 is over. Now 60 into 5 we have to do. 0 you will get 6 5s are 30. Okay, again one more 5 is there. So 300 into 5 is what? 0 0 5 3s are 15. 1500 is the answer. Okay, so this is the LCM of, because these numbers are very big, isn't it? 20 75 125. So least common multiple or lowest common multiple of these 3 numbers is which one? 1500. Understand? So this number only, this is the only the multiple comes of this 20 75 125 this in these tables of these 3 numbers. That is the meaning of that one. Understand? So that is the least common multiple. So we can check our answers whether it is correct. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 into 5 is 60. 60 into 5 is 300. Is it 300? 300 into 5 is 1500. Okay, so that is the LCM of what? 20 75 and 125. Okay, so I hope that all of you understand how we are finding the LCM. Okay, only up to this one it is okay. The last step only we are what we are doing, taking the most multiples, isn't it? Which one having the most multiples? Okay, that one we have taken and writing and finding our answer. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.